All right, so I got a turn signal light out. That one's off. That one's on. You can kind of tell. It's daylight. Let's dig into this and see what it takes to change it. All right, so on the driver's side here, you're gonna have this little hole. Reach in there and you can untwist it. You'll pull the blinker turn signal assembly out. It's gonna have your bulb in there and it just kind of pushes right in. This is what it looks like. I'm replacing them with these LEDs, 7443. Got them from O'Reilly's, I think it was, yeah. I don't know, 15 or 20 bucks, something like that. I'm gonna put this one in, turn the truck on, and look at the difference. If there's a big difference, I'll put the other one in. If not, I'll leave it out and keep it in case one of them ever goes out. All right, so that just pushes right in there like that. It just kind of pops right in. So you put it back in there, figure out where it's at, twist it in, and let's turn this thing on. See if I can even just kind of look up in there. There it is. That's what it looks like. So figure out how to get your fingers in there in your hand and twist it in. All right, finally got it in. Had to take a little bitty set of pliers and kind of finagle them up in there and turn it on, but or spin it in. But it works. I'm gonna put the other one in anyways. All right, so to do the driver's side, you just gotta take the air box out. That same little hole is right there. It's starting to rain on me. Leave it out just like this. Turn the lights on and make sure they come on, because there is a right way and a wrong way. I just did that. So let's get this thing back in, and that's all there is to it. All right, so there she is. She's all done. They look good. They are brighter. Installation shouldn't take too crazy long. There's literally nothing in the way on the driver's side. And on the passenger side, you just take the air box loose. I bent it up and out of the way. Didn't have to take it off. You can if you want to. There's a little brace. Get you a 10 mil to take that nut out and get it out of the way. Make your life a lot easier. Take the lid off for the air box is an 8 mil, and those are the only tools you need, unless you're like me and your little chubby pansy fingers couldn't get the light loose. I used a little bitty set of pliers. Sorry, I'm tired and hungry, and that's really all you need to know. Hope this helps.